welcome to my kitchen. This is experiment 2.1, diffusion at different temperatures, and we're going to answer the question, how does changing the temperature affect the rate of diffusion? So we're gonna have hot water here, very hot water. We're gonna have room temperature water here. We're gonna have cold water here, and we're gonna have ice water here. We're gonna put the food coloring in at the same time, and then we're gonna see which one diffuses through the solution the fastest and which one the slowest. So make your prediction, and here we go. Noah accidentally dropped some in, so we're gonna do 3 drops.
1, 2.
We're gonna start the timer. We're gonna let this sit and kind of observe what's happening here.
Whoa, that was fast.
Which one was fast?
All of them.
So the hot looks pretty much all diffused through, and the red is getting there, and the blue, you can still see the lines of color, and the green is kind of just falling down. Yeah, you can turn it if you want, so we can observe it. So, based on what we're seeing, it looks like the diffusion happened faster in the boiling hot water. And then as the temperature decreased, it got a little bit slower, and this one's having trouble dissolving. And
it's just like a big cloud at the bottom.
Yeah. And then just some notes. This would be a homogeneous mixture because any part of it I take like a teaspoon out of, it's all going to be the same concentration. And this is more like a heterogeneous mixture because you can see that it's still separated into different parts. And remember that diffusion is the natural or passive movement within gases and liquids that spread out particles from an area of higher concentration to a lower concentration. And diffusion occurs in both liquids and gas particles because they are constantly in motion. So the water molecules in this hot liquid are moving really, really fast, and they're bouncing against each other, and that's why it spread out faster, because they're moving so fast, bouncing against each other, and this is moving really slow, well, not really slowly comparative to other things, but it's moving slower, and so it's taking longer for that diffusion to happen. So that was experiment 2.2.